Mike Taylor 80s show. Great playlist. Yeah, Mike does a great show, doesn't he? We heard All Night Long by Rainbow and Love Bites by Def Leppard. Listen to us on 5800 45333 was the Simpo, and listening on an XH Data 808, which is a portable, isn't it? So that's pretty good. That's not bad going. Thank you, Barry. And another one from Barry as well. Heard us on the 17th of April. That was the day before, wasn't it? On 5800, heard the track by Tears for Fears. I think that means you were listening to my show, because I played Tears for Fears on that show. Thank you very much, Barry Seeker in Plymouth, in the stunning county of Devon, in the United Kingdom. It is the place to be, it really is, you know. Tonight we're playing psychedelic rock on Dave Scott's radio waves for this Summer Splash first broadcast weekend, and here's an absolute proggy psychedelic classic, 1968 title track from their second album, from Iron Butterfly, and Inagada Vida, an absolute psychedelic classic on the free radio service Holland. Don't you know that I love you? Don't you know that I